Hi, I'm Kurt Hetherington, President of James Greene Associates. Our agency is among the nation's largest independent insurance agencies, insuring over 3,500 churches and related ministries. At James Greene Associates, we continually strive to work and find solutions that fit the needs of our clients. We see the need for security preparedness as acts of violence continue to increase over the United States against houses of worship and other organizations. That's why I'm happy to announce a strategic alliance that we have developed with Strategos International. And with me today is the president of Strategos International, Mr. Vaughn Baker. Vaughn, pleasure to have you here today.
Thank you, Kurt. Appreciate it.
Vaughn, I wanted to ask you a couple questions. Could you provide the history of Strategos International, and also why is there a need for an organization like Strategos International?
Well, first of all, I want to thank you for the opportunity to align and strategically align with James Greene Associates. We're very excited about it. As far as our history, we are a company that was founded in 2002 and training law enforcement, military, workplace, faith-based, and government professionals. And since that time, we've worked with over 750 ministries and 15,000 church personnel in 30 states. And so we have a unique expertise in this area. And again, I wish there wasn't a need for our expertise, but unfortunately, the world's not getting any better. And it's getting worse. We know this because statistics show us since 1999, we've seen over a 1,600% increase in violence at churches, and over a 700% increase just since 2007. And this is not a trend that we see slowing down. We see it escalating each and every year. The numbers just keep going up.
Vaughn, specific to Strategos International, you provide some unique offerings and workshops. One of them that is specific is called Firm Foundation. Could you explain Firm Foundation and what it would do for an organization to help them meet this need?
Sure, we call this our Church Security Firm Foundation package. And what it's designed to do is a church that's made the decision that they want to go forward and put together either professionalize an existing security ministry or to start from scratch. What we will do is come in over a weekend starting on a Friday and do a goals and objectives questionnaire and a Q&A session with church leadership personnel. And then we do a physical security site survey on that Friday afternoon as well, and we make a lot of notes as far as opportunities for improvement on their facility. And then on Saturday, we do a course we call Intruder Awareness Response for church personnel. And what we do is we introduce this concept of safety and security to a wide range of service folks as well as staff and leadership folks, whether it's ushers, greeters, deacons, elders, parking personnel, and staff and leadership personnel. And we teach them what suspicious activity looks like, and then based on what their responsibilities are, how they respond to suspicious activity, whether it's simply reporting it to someone or whether they are actually going to go approach the person that's acting out of the ordinary. And then once we do that, on Sunday, we come in and we do what we call a security capability review. And we observe services as well as Sunday school activities, observe the offering, collection, protection, transport procedures for their church, pastoral platform protection needs, or maybe they already have a pastoral platform protection ministry. And then what we will do after that is develop a report, usually between 45 and 60 pages, making those recommendations and calling out those opportunities for improvement that we see. So it helps them lay a foundation for not only where they're at, but where they want to go to.
So Vaughn, in this case, a roadmap specifically designed for that church or ministry or organization that they can have to help implement a plan that will protect.
Exactly. Most churches just don't know where to start. So what we do is we give them that foundation on where to start and then how to get there to achieve their goals and objectives that they identify.
And once we establish that plan, as we all know, continuous training is an important aspect of that. And Strategos International meets that need as well. Could you explain?
Yeah, absolutely. We provide not only 7 different training courses for church personnel, but we actually provide protection solutions. Maybe it's a church that's gone through a traumatic event and they want to bring in protection resources to help de-escalate anxiety. We provide those solutions, and then also provide solutions related to other consulting areas related to security or expert witness if there's a situation where litigation is involved.
We see this trend continuing with acts of violence against churches, and this alliance will help us meet those needs. From an insurance aspect, we believe that risk management overall is important. But Vaughn, I was hoping you could speak to that aspect of insurance. From your vantage point, how critical is that for ministry?
You know, critical, it's very critical as far as insurance specific to safety and security, and making sure that your insurance company has expertise in this area. And not only do they have expertise, but do they have solutions specific to the safety and security ministry. That's one of the reasons why we're so excited to partner with James Greene Associates, because you all have a lot of expertise in this area, and you particularly have solutions with Brotherhood Mutual that can help meet those needs. But one thing we do recommend is before you even start with your safety and security ministry, contact your insurance company, see if they have that experience, and if they don't, look at what your other options are. So that's why, again, we're excited for this alliance with James Greene.
So in 2016, we will be looking for opportunities to better serve the clients that we have, and this is chief among them for 2016 is our strategic alliance with Strategos International. At James Greene Associates, we continue to look for ways to serve those that serve others. Thank you until we meet again. Vaughn, thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching today. For more information, please follow the links to James Greene Associates and Strategos International.